What if I told you that feeling tired all the time has nothing to do with how much you sleep? Did you know that over 60% of adults feel tired before noon every single day? If you're constantly drained, yawning, or feeling like a zombie no matter what you do, you're not lazy. You're not alone. You're likely missing one or more of these 7 hidden energy killers most people never think about. And number 5 might shock you, because you probably deal with it every single day. Welcome to Health Decoder, the place where we decode real health facts and smart wellness hacks for a better you. If you're tired of being tired, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell, because we post life-changing health videos every week. Now, let's dive into the 7 hidden reasons why you're always running on empty and what to do about it. Number 1, you're low on key nutrients and don't even know it. Vitamin B12, iron, magnesium, vitamin D. Just one deficiency can leave you completely drained. The crazy part? Millions of people are low on these and have no idea. Symptoms include fatigue, brain fog, low mood, and even dizziness. A simple blood test can reveal the truth, and the right supplement or food fix could bring your energy back fast. Number 2, you sleep, but your sleep quality is awful. You might be in bed for 8 hours, but if your sleep cycles are broken, your body won't recover. Caffeine too late, phone before bed, even low magnesium can mess with deep sleep. Fix your sleep hygiene and track your rest, because poor sleep quality feels just like insomnia, even when you're in bed all night. Number 3, dehydration is silently sapping your energy. Even 1 to 2% dehydration affects energy and concentration. If you're feeling foggy or sluggish in the morning, it could be as simple as not drinking water. Start your day with 2 glasses of water before coffee and sip consistently throughout the day. Number 4, you're riding a blood sugar roller coaster. Sugary breakfast, white bread, processed snacks. They spike your blood sugar, then crash it. That crash? It's why you feel sleepy an hour after eating. Instead, switch to complex carbs, healthy fat, and proteins. They give you long-lasting energy without the slump. Number 5, chronic stress is burning out your energy system. Here's the one most people miss. Stress isn't just mental. It triggers cortisol, and over time, your body can't keep up. This is called adrenal fatigue, and it can feel like your body is running on fumes 24/7. Meditation, deep breathing, and just disconnecting from screens can help reset your system. Number 6, you're not moving enough. Seriously. It sounds backwards, but the less you move, the more tired you feel. A sedentary life slows circulation, lowers oxygen levels, and kills motivation. Just 10 minutes of light movement, stretching, walking, even dancing, can give you a natural energy boost. Number 7, you might have a hidden health issue. Still tired after doing everything right? It could be thyroid issues, sleep apnea, or even chronic fatigue syndrome. These are often missed or misdiagnosed. If fatigue is lasting more than 2 to 3 months despite lifestyle changes, it's time to speak with a doctor. So, now that you know the 7 hidden reasons behind constant tiredness, which one do you think applies to you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned something new, hit like and share this with someone who's always yawning. And remember, your energy is your power. Protect it, recharge it, and own it. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.